Solve 2 to the power of 18 minus 1 equals what? So first of all, we're going to split this. We are going to write it as 2 to the power of 9 times 2 is 18. So we know that 9 times 2. So we can write it like this. 2 to the power of 9 times 2 is 18 minus 1. So what have we used here? 8 to the power of n whole to the power of m is equal to 8 to the power of n times m. So here you have the product of the power, so you can split it in this way. Now, what does it look like? This is in a form of an identity, a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now we're going to solve for that. So we have 2 to the power of 9 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 9 minus 1. And then, as we know, 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 512. So we're going to substitute that 512 plus 1 times 512 minus 1. So 512 plus 1 is 513 and 512 minus 1 is 511. So now we are just gonna split this both into 500 plus 13 times 500 plus 11. And now we're going to use the FOIL method and multiply the two brackets. So we have 500 times 500. So we're going to write that 500 times 500. Then we have 500 times 11, 500 times 13. So we're going to write it like this, plus 500 multiplied by 13 plus 11. And then the last term plus 13 times 11. Now 500 times 500 is 250,000 plus 500 times 13 plus 11 is 24 plus 13 times 11 is 143. Now 250,000 plus 500 times 24 is just 12,000 plus 143. Now let's just add them up together. So we have 250,000 plus 12,000 plus 143. So when you add them up, you get 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 2. So you have the answer of 2 to the power of 18 minus 1 is equal to 262,143. Thank you so much for